Hi friends, my name is Dr. Jaswinder Singh Saluja. I am a ENT specialist at Apollo Hospital, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. We are in the month of November. Winter has just begun. So as a ENT surgeon, I'd like to talk about nasal allergy, which is very common during this part of the season. To understand allergy, we must first understand what is immunity. So we all know that our body's immune response is a defense system against infections. So sometimes this immune response may be injurious to the host also. So allergy is this heightened response of the immune system in a sensitized individual who is exposed to an antigen. Now coming to specific nasal allergies are also called as allergic rhinitis. It is a IgE mediated immune response of the nasal mucosa that is triggered whenever a person comes in contact with an inhalant allergen such as pollen, dust mite, animal dander, etc. So whenever a nose of this person comes in contact with the allergen, allergic reaction takes place wherein chemical mediators such as histamines are released in the tissues which are responsible for the symptoms of nasal allergy such as excessive sneezing, watery discharge, itching of the eyes, nose, throat, palate. People who have a family history of allergy, asthma or atopic eczema, they are more prone towards this allergy or to develop an allergic rhinitis. There are certain triggers which can trigger this allergy in people, such as whenever the climate is very cold or whenever there is excessive pollution, when there is a lot of smoke or high perfumes, emotional stress, all can trigger allergy in the person. Now, how do you diagnose this allergic rhinitis? It is with the history of the patient and clinical features. And one more other test what you do is called a skin prick test. So it is a simple test done by an allergy specialist or by an ENT surgeon wherein a drop of allergen is placed over the skin of the forearm and very delicately pricked under the skin. If a person is positive to that allergen, he'll show a positive reaction in the form of a reddish bleb which develops within 10 to 15 minutes. So we can test 150 to 200 allergens at a given point of time. The other blood test called as RAST test, R-A-S-T, radioallergosorbent test. It measures specific IgE levels in a person's serum. Once you have the diagnosis, you have to treat. So what is the treatment? Treatment is to avoid or avoidance of the allergens. So it can be done by using facial masks, by removal of pets at home. Some people have to encase their pillows and mattresses by plastic sheets, limiting upholsteries and carpet at home. There are some appliances available nowadays in the market which can be made use of, such as dehumidifiers, air purifiers and HEPA filters. So these are the precautions or things you can do to avoid getting allergy triggered. Now what is the treatment? Treatment per se is using drugs such as decongestants, antihistamines and steroids, which may be given as a nasal spray or sometimes tablets. And when we talk of allergy, we have to talk about immunotherapy as well. So immunotherapy is nothing but desensitization or hyposensitization of person immune system. This is considered in people who have not been responding to regular line of management for a long time. And this is given over a period of 1 year or so, but sometimes we have to discontinue if there are no results for more than 3 years. In such patients, we have to think about some surgical interventions. This immunotherapy suppresses the IgE levels in the serum of the person and increases the protective IgE antibodies. How do you give immunotherapy? Immunotherapy is given with an injection under the skin. It's called subcutaneous injection. Sometimes it is given by oral route, that is sublingual route, where a tablet which contains a mixture of allergens is given to a person to be used under the tongue. So this is about allergy, and I hope that this small video will help you gather some information regarding how to take care of your allergy. You can get in touch with me at Apollo Hospital, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. Thank you for watching.